What's up, guys? Go Motoring here with Miss Go Motoring, and today we're going to be replacing these shocks over here on the trunk. So these were aftermarket parts. They're called Uro Parts that I bought after these hydraulic shocks stopped working on my trunk to keep it up. And I can tell you that based on my experience with the Uro Parts, they're terrible. Absolutely terrible. Look at this. It doesn't even fit correctly. This thing's all wobbly. I can't tell you how often this thing just sort of snaps out of place. So I've been very disappointed with the Uro parts, and I'm hoping that these other parts that I purchased, which are the Stabilus parts. This is from the OEM replacement for these trunk shocks for the e92 BMW 328i. I hope they do a much better job than these Uro parts did. So if you're in the market, I would advise against using these Uro parts. I will let you know if the Stabilus does a better job. All right, so I want to show you here how this thing gets installed. This is super easy. We're gonna have Miss Go Motoring do it. Look at that. Look at how easy that was. There's some videos out here where they're telling you need to go and move this black part in order to install it. Dumb idea. It literally just clips on there. You don't need to be messing around with anything other than just get the correct part, and it goes super easy. Here's the other one as well. But then here's these Uro parts that just were terrible. They were the cheapest ones you could buy, and probably for good reason. So good riddance. If you need to replace this on your e92 328i, hopefully these Stabilus are going to work a lot better than the Uro parts. But I will keep you updated on that ownership experience. Thanks, guys.